Hello! I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. So, in today's lesson, we'll start looking at the rhythm and melody of English. The first step is understanding English stress. It's very different from Japanese. Today's lesson is on lexical stress. That means the stress that is part of a word. Different patterns of stress can make different words, so we have to learn them. First, you'll need to understand the Japanese system. Japanese has a system called pitch accent. Pitch means how high or low a sound is. High, low. In music notes, we show pitch by putting a note up high or down low. Notes at the top are high. Notes at the bottom are low. But when we write Japanese, we just have to remember. It's very hard for people who learn Japanese as adults, like me. We have to remember everything. In Tokyo Japanese, the pitch goes up. Then, when we hit the accented syllable, it drops fast. It's different in other parts of Japan. In IPA, we write a down step with an arrow. Yes, I really had to remember all of this for every word in Japanese. Please be kind to me when I make mistakes. But here's the really important point. In Japanese, an accent only changes the pitch. Your voice goes low very fast. It doesn't change the length of the sound. Like this one. Mochikomu. Mochikomu. English does it differently. English combines pitch and length together. So the accented part is always a little longer. Mochikomu. Mochikomu. A little different. More than that, English can have two stressed syllables in a word, one minor and one major, and every other sound stays low. This is how a first-year English-speaking student of Japanese would probably say mochikomu. Mochikomu. Try it. Mochikomu. Even worse, pitch goes in the opposite direction sometimes. Sometimes it goes down for the stress. This can happen in a yes-no question. Let's try it. Mochikomu? Mochikomu? This is the English way to do it. In English, duration, intensity, and pitch are all combined together into one messy thing, stress. Try the word celebration. 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 In IPA, we put a chong before the stressed syllable. When you see the chong mark, the next syllable will be longer, louder, and different in pitch, up or down. Try these three. Happiness. Gorilla. Japanese. But wait a second. You probably thought gorilla started with go. What is this strange new symbol? Here. Here! What is this upside down E? What is its purpose? Where is it from? Is it dangerous? Call the police! No, don't worry. It won't bite you. This symbol is called schwa. It's a vowel, but it doesn't have any special sound. I call it the aimai boin, the toriaizu no boin. We need a little space between sounds, but it's not very important, so toriaizu When a sound doesn't have stress, usually we change it to an sound. The information is not important, so we can be lazy. We won't say gorilla, gorilla. It's gorilla. Try. Gorilla. One more. Gorilla. Gorilla. Try these 3 words again. And when you see the schwa, make a very lazy sound. Happiness. Nus, nus, nus. Happiness. Gorilla. Gorilla. Japanese. P. Not important, so Japanese. Have you noticed that the accent changes in Japanese when you add another character? Yoshida-san becomes Yoshidake. English has those patterns too. Let's try some. Electric. Electricity. Politics. Politician. That's wrong. Politics. Political. Comedy. Comedian. Did you notice here? Ka-m-m-d. But here, comedian. Did you notice it changes to There's no stress. Philosophy. Philosophical. There are a lot of words that change meaning depending on the stress. All of the sounds are the same, but the stress is different. Here are a few to practice. Start on the left. Desert. Dessert. Record. Record. Permit. Permit. Decrease. Decrease. Did you hear? Decrease. Object. Object. Again, ub. It changes. Present. Present. Suspect. Suspect. Perfect. Perfect. In the next lesson, we'll look at bigger sections of speech. I'll tell you how English uses stress for a phrase and for a clause. If you don't remember your middle school grammar lessons, don't worry, I'll make it very simple. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.